They leap from tree to tree with effortless grace. They solve puzzles, use tools, and yes, sometimes they even steal your food. But how much do we really know about these mischievous masters of the forest? Join us as we explore the amazing world of monkeys, nature's clever and curious acrobats. Monkeys are among the most diverse and intelligent creatures on Earth, with over 260 species found across the globe. From the small yet intelligent Capuchin monkeys, cebus, of the Amazon, to the powerful and social baboons, Papio, of the African savanna, and the adaptable Rhesus Macaque, Macaca mulatta, living side by side with humans. These play a vital role in nature. They help spread seeds while eating fruits, ensuring forests continue to grow and thrive. As prey and predators, they maintain the delicate balance of many ecosystems. Without monkeys, many forests would lose their heartbeat. But today, many monkey species face serious threats. Habitat loss, illegal hunting, and the exotic pet trade push them closer to extinction. Without urgent action, the playful calls of monkeys may soon vanish forever from our jungles and forests. Monkeys, playful, smart, and incredibly important to our planet. They remind us that nature's brilliance lies not only in power, but also in intelligence and community. They are more than entertainers. They are vital players in nature's grand story. Subscribe to Wildverse Wonders to join us on more breathtaking journeys into the wild. And tell us, which monkey species do you find the most fascinating? See you in the next adventure.